Okay, here we will take the 3 points on the circumference at the same z value, and that will generate for us the circle. Okay, so it's touching the first point. Now needs to go to the another point, second point. We need a third point. Okay, that will create a circle. If we look at the computer over there, so that's the circumference that we are have touched on the blue one over here. So now we're gonna go another height and touch 2 more points. In this case, the system will understand that we are measuring a cylinder and will create a cylinder for us. So now we need 2 more points to make them 5. This is the 4th. By the way, the 4th point will create a sphere for you if you are measuring a sphere. If you are measuring a cylinder, the 5th one will create a cylinder for you. So if we go to the software over there, and it will show you a cylinder. If you want to make it a solid view of it, see, there is the plane, and here is the solid cylinder that we just created. Well, here instead of calling it cylinder 1, we will call it the inner hole. Okay, then we will save it, and here are the information of the inner hole. Perfect. So now we want to create the outer cylinder or surface. So we will do the same. We will start probing the outer diameter. Back to the machine over here. So basically, we need to take the machine outside, touch 3 points, very similar exactly to what we did in the for the inner. We need to touch 3 points on the same Z. That will create the circle, and then we will create another 3 points that will create the cylinder. Okay, so he's trying to touch from here. First point, 1 point. Good, this is 1. Two, and we still need a third point. Okay, you need to go around the workpiece because you're not supposed to change the z-axis, the z value. All these 3 points needs to be on the same z value. Okay, similarly over there, if you can see from here, no, we cannot. Similarly, a circle has been created. Now we'll continue the task on another z value. While we are here, we can lift up a little bit in the z value, and then touch 2 different points anywhere in the circumference, and it will figure it out as a cylinder. 1, the fifth point will means for the machine that we are trying to figure out a cylindrical feature. So out of these 5 points that we have selected, the machine has created a cylinder for us, as you see here, the bigger one. So that would be the outer diameter. If you want, we can make it. So now the inner diameter and the outer diameter are known for us. Their height also is known for us. So it's ready now to go and extract the CAD model from the scan that we have done using the using the contact probe machine. All you need to do is just accept the thing here, the measurement that you have taken, and here is the summary of the information of the values. And if you look at the results here, we have plane 1, 2D line, point 1. All of these are just for the sake of construction. We have also the bottom of the hole, the top of the hole, inner hole I mean, and the inner hole diameter. And here is the cylinder one. I will rename it. Instead of cylinder one, I will write the outer diameter. Perfect. So that would be the scanning process for the bearing. Well, if there are more features that you want, definitely you need to scan it and get the values and the coordinates of these features. But for us to make it simple, we will just look at these 2 features over here, and we will export it to the any CAD software to continue constructing the CAD model from these scans.